All ready for a gurney pressure washer tomorrow. Pressure wash the whole thing. Got rid of the leaves and crap.
All stores at never to be repeated prices. Hurry, strictly limited time. Harvey Norman Beauty Rest end of line stock clearance in store only while stocks last.
Fridge, freezer. Looks all old and shit, but it'll come up alright.
Sign up to the Advertising Industry Careers Fast Lane course. Digital marketing, data, AI, search skills, all online and fully supported. With the career service
Brum, 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 brum.
Don't go to uni if you're not sure. Fast Lane can be done in 4 months. Head to our site to get a full course overview. Search AIC.
Open all the windows and hatches. Get some air. The hatch up there.
You get back to routine with free click and collect.
That's where the bow thruster is. Must be a rubbish bin, that. Look at the chain. It's a good rope. Big beds. Bunks. That's a beanbag. That's mine, Melly. Play PUBG on the beanbag. This needs a spring clean, which I'll do the outside tomorrow. And look at this, an old PlayStation 2. Yeah. So cool. Look at that. This will come up nice, man. Buy some herbs for you, Melly. Yeah. I was thinking putting a nice double chair there for us too. We'll both sit there when it's real rough or whatever. Storm. And we'll drive it up there too. But put 2 seats, of course. Get rid of that old one. Hopefully we never have to use that, Melly. Our medkit, yeah. Only PUBG, eh, honey bunny? And look at this cool old picture. Those are the wrecks at Morton Island. That's cool, man. I should take that home with me. It's got heaps of parts. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I do have to buy a vacuum cleaner. Man, I got shore power now. It wasn't even on actually, so it could have worked last time. Wouldn't boat out there. Had a guy try and tell me off. See me pooed near his boat. who's working. There's only a worker. And he tried to make me pick up his poo. Pick up Sammy's poo. Told him to fuck off. Start that shit with me, buddy. Yeah, and yeah, when I got here, that door was wide open, man. It pissed me off. So that guy approached me at the wrong time. Hey, Daddy. So it's coming up way better already, just without the leaves. It's going to come up good with a nice water blast. I'll put all the crap in here. Get rid of those things too. So this is where you have a shower, and there's a window to look outside. Of course I'm going to have to get a new one so they fold out. But this is going to be primo. What's in here? Oh yeah, some old toilet paper. There's heaps of goodies. You have to go poo poo? Certainly getting a bigger toilet than that little bowl. I reckon you better have a proper house toilet being above the waterline like that. So much room now. I reckon too, make this. I was thinking about closing that off and putting mattresses up there. Be a cool as chill out spot. Play PUBG, mate. Fair dinkum, buddy. That's where the shore power goes there. Put the fishing rods up here. Alright, bye bye.